With Photoshop, anything is possible, if you know how to do it. But you don't want to spend tons of time researching every task and remembering countless steps. The Picture Instruments Toolbox plugin guides you step by step through your workflow, making it easy to master tasks quickly and professionally. In addition, you will find all the most common tools for your daily work readily accessible and sorted by task. Where possible, the plugin will even select the right tool settings for you. Alongside functions like skin retouching, color grading, and tools that make it easier to create graphics, the plugin contains the legendary black and white film looks from Ilford. Whether for graphic design, retouching, your own flyer, or working on a portrait, the Picture Instruments Toolbox will keep you in the fast lane. You don't have to search through convoluted Photoshop menus anymore to find the right tools and functions. Install the Picture Instruments Toolbox plugin and try out the free features now. Want more? Unleash the full potential of the plugin with a Pro license, and you will wonder how you ever functioned without it.